Hi friends, my name is Debolina, professionally a fashion designer, married to my best friend who is also a fashion designer, proud daughter of two wonderful parents. If you first time watching my video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Also press the bell icon to get all the notification further. My channel Fashion Buddy comprises of in and out of fashion designing, also scope of fashion designing. There are lots and lots of fun stuffs coming up. So please subscribe to my channel. In today's video, we're gonna talk about face shape and how to measure your face shape. Please note that I have distributed this series into 3 parts. Today I am releasing the first and I release the other parts very soon. And watch all the videos of this series. I'll leave the link in the description box. Please do check out. Before we start our video, we should know the key points from where we have to take the measurement. These 2 points are to be considered for forehead measurement. This is for eye measurement. The highest point on your cheek should be considered for your cheek measurement. This is your jaw point. From here you have to measure your jaw. And this is your chin point. The face length is to be measured from here to here. The first step is to pick up the right tools. Please don't bother yourself with hard metal measuring tape. Please take a soft measuring tape which is used by a tailor to measure your face shape. Then grab a notebook and note down all the measurements. Before starting with the measurement, you have to remember that you have to tie your hair properly so that you can see your face. Also remember to stand in front of the mirror before taking the measurement so that you can see your face properly. After taking the measurement, please note down all the measurements carefully before deciding on which face shape are you. Now the measurement part starts. First you have to measure the forehead. In order to work out which face shape you have, you need to find out which parts are long, which ones are the short, or whether they are actually the same. The forehead is a good place to start. So measure the across widest part. This is usually around halfway between your eyebrows and hairline. Now you have to measure your cheekbones. The width of your cheekbones is especially important when it comes to picking a hairstyle. Getting it wrong can throw features like your ears way off proportion. Size yours up by placing the tape across the pointest part just below the outer corner of each type. Then you have to measure your jawline. Even if you don't have defined jawline, then also you must be having a measurement. So measure the jawline properly. Measure the tip of the chin to the below of your ear at the point at which your jaw angles upward. Of course, you have a jaw on both sides of your face. So multiply the number by 2 to get the jaw length. Then you have to measure your face length. What's the difference between a rectangle face and a square face? It's between 2 inches. That's not a joke. It is true. The difference between two faces, the square and the rectangle, is only about 2 inches, and that's what makes the difference. To find out the length of the face, run the tape measure from the center of your hairline to the tip of your chin. Let's start with discussing different face shape. We'll first talk about oval face shape. The face length is greater than the width of the cheekbone measurement, and the forehead is greater than the jawline. The angle at the jaw is a bit rounded. Now we'll talk about square shape. All the measurements are more or less similar and the angle at the jaw is more of a rounded. Now we'll talk about rectangle shape. In this type, the face length is the highest. Forehead, cheekbone and jawline are more or less the similar. Now we'll talk about round face shape. Cheekbone and face length are more or less the similar. they are larger than forehead and jawline, which is more or less the similar. And the angle at the jaw is less defined here. Now we'll talk about heart-shaped face. The forehead measurement is greater than the cheekbone and the jawline, and the angle at the chin is a bit pointed. And finally, we'll talk about the triangular shape. Jawline measurement is greater than the cheekbone measurement, which is again greater than the forehead measurement. After discussing all the face shape, you must be wondering that which face shape are you? These 6 face shapes are not the ultimate face shapes. There are few people who don't fall into these categories. They have a mixture of face style, like Jennifer Lopez. Mostly people are a combination of a rectangular and an oval face shape. You have to remember that every one of us is different from each other. So maybe our face is also different. There's nothing to worry about. We can still work on our face and look beautiful. Before concluding my video, I will post a chart here. This chart will tell you what question needs to be asked while determining your face shape. So friends, I hope it will help you to determine. If you have any doubt, you can always ask me. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe.